Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two bottle brushes. We're going to see who wins and which one I like the best. So on the left, this is the 6-pack Holikme, and on the right, this is the MR.SIGA. It's a 2-pack. You get two brushes. They're exactly the same. It is got a little bit of flexibility there. The bristles are nice and stiff. I like that it has a gripper handle. That's a grippy surface there. Now over here on this one, this also has the cleaning brushes. You can see those are a little from shipping. They might have gotten a little flat. That's a metal handle. That's definitely not flexible at all. That's not grippy, but it's smooth. But this tool right here is pretty cool. So if you've ever, this is for cleaning the lips of glasses. If you ever had lipstick or anything here, you can clean that really good right there. And it's got a brush here also for doing other cleaning. And then there's a little stiffer brush right here. We also got some straw cleaning brushes. But again, now if you're just wanting some simple brushes for cleaning, these are the long reach for cleaning in water bottles. This is going to work great. The bristles are a little bit, wider. Over here, they're a little bit smaller. Let's do a side by side. Yeah, you can see the size difference. And let's do size, yeah. The MR.SIGA is a little bit smaller. 13 compared to 14 inches. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.